Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina. I hope everybody's having a great day. I have some things to share with you today. I got one from Hobby Lobby and one from Ollie's. So I thought I'd make a quick video and share with you what I picked up. We'll start with the smallest one first. How's everybody's day? Please like, share, subscribe. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. This is strawberry shortcake, the world of strawberry shortcake. It was $8.99. It includes the orange sheet. It's a 30.4 by 38.1 centimeters. Strawberry shortcake mixing, the tray, jewel setter, 2 wax putties, and 15 colors. And that's what we have. $8.99 at Hobby Lobby. It has the instructions. And this might be the key, but let's just stick that back in there. Alrighty. I think this will roll back. I forgot to grab my straightener. Darn it. The stick is good. I got one of these. There's a paint by number, a small one. So you probably saw that on my channel. I haven't done that one yet. I'll probably give it to my daughter-in-law and let her do that one for me. She likes to do the paint by numbers. All right. And cute. There's no legend, so your legend is on that paper I just showed you of instructions. Your little toolkit. You get your little strawberry tray and 2 pads of wax. The little bitty tray. And the colors. And they are numbered on this, on your pack, so you could use those as well. It is a round. Yeah, it's a round. Pretty pink. And that's a white 5200, I think. All right. That's the first one. Very cute. I should do the drill field right. It's very clear. And that'll be a cute one. $8.99 Hobby Lobby. All right. And the next one, this one came from Ollie's. It is a Diamond Dots. It was $4.99. Design size is 35.5 by 28 centimeters. Fabric size is 43.5 by 35 centimeters. And it has 38 colors for a total of 12,028 dots. And that's, hopefully you can see that's what we have. And on the back, you have your how-tos. I've been outside today and I figured, well, I would just take a break from my plants and do a quick video. I'm probably going to batch record because I'm going to take my mother-in-law to the doctor tomorrow and be watching the grandbabies the rest of the week, so I'll be busy. We do have some ABs in here. Your toolkits, your standard toolkit. If you've done diamond dots, you know. But if you know, you know. Diamond dots is soft backing, poked and scalloped edges to prevent fraying. They are poured glue, so you can roll them backwards. All right. You have your instructions in different languages. And Diamond Dots does not use the DMC numbers, but there's a conversion chart on Google that you can type in conversion Diamond Dots to DMC. And they have their own color chart. This does have a border. Very pretty. And there's, hopefully you can see that. Drill field's very clear. There's a border around here that does not get diamond painted. And these pretty colors. Hopefully you can see them in there. We'll take them out and then we're going back in. There is an AB. It's a white AB somewhere in there. You can see it through this brown right there. So, all right, that's that one. Y'all let me know your thoughts. Let me know which one you liked. I like both, honestly, but I do love the sailboat. I thought that was pretty. But I got the strawberry shortcake from my granddaughter's room. So let me know your thoughts. Let me know which one you liked. If you have one of these, if you've done them. So I hope y'all have a great day. Stay safe, stay warm, stay hydrated, stay cool. Make sure you say your prayers, y'all, because God's always, always listening. And I hope y'all have a great week. I am filming this on Sunday, so you'll probably see it one day this week. Like I said, I'm batch recording, so you'll see it one day this week. But I hope y'all have a great day, and I will talk to you on the next one. All right, my friends, I love y'all. Talk to you soon.